Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Hold. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्ताम् सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। कोमलं कूजनं वेणु श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गम् त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं व्रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम्। श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदद्ध नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः। एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यविदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणं चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. So we have done first 78 Dashakam. Today we are heading into 79th Dashakam, which is going to be the Rukmini Vivaha. So the kids are there. Excellent. I thought where the kids were not sitting. So we'll just directly begin into it. Last week when we were doing 78, we have seen the Chandas, Dhrita Vilambita. Same Chandas, it's going to continue for this as well. So in the last week, we have seen how Rukmini has successfully passed on the Sandesh the Lord has promised. We'll see now what has happened. What is going to happen? Okay. Hari Om, my dear. Let us start. बलसमेत बलानुगतो भवान्
बलसमेत बलानुगतो भवान्
Mahaprana again, sorry.
बलसमेत बलानुगतो भवान्
पुरमगाहत भीष्मकमानितः
पुरमगाहत भीष्मकमानितः
द्विजसुतं त्वदुपागमवादिनम्
द्विजसुतं त्वदुपागमवादिनम्
धृतरसातरसा प्रणनाम सा
धृतरसा तरसा प्रणनाम सा बलसमेत बलानुगतो भवान् पुरमगाहत भीष्मकमानितः द्विजसुतं त्वदुपागमवादिनं धृतरसा तरसा प्रणनाम सा.
You're not feeling well today, having some cold. Your brothers are going to join you? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now let us see the meaning. Balasameta balanu gataha. Okay. So with Balramji, Lord has gone with Bala. Bala means with his army. So Lord has not, if we read Bhagavatam, Lord has not gone with the army. Lord has promised Brahmana, and so immediately Lord. Balram has foreseen that, oh, if this is the reason Lord is going, that means definitely there is going to be a battle only. So Balram has gone with the army. In the Bhagavad it is written, but Bhattacharya has compiled so many chapters into these 10 verses, 11 verses. Okay. So 3 chapters story we are hearing now in only 10 verses. So he has given in that way. And then what has happened? Puram Agahata. So in that city, which Puram? That Kundina city, Lord has entered. And then when he has gone over there, Bhishmaka Manitaha. Bhishmakaha has welcomed the Lord, and he has done whatever honors has to be done, where Lord has to stay. everything and all. Means what? Again, in Bhagavad we will find out that Bhishmaka is thinking for her wedding, Lord has come because he has invited so many dignitaries and everything is happening. Nobody has ever thought that the secret message has gone and Lord has the plans. Nobody is knowing. So they thought, okay, so it is her Swayamvara, so Lord has come. So he is welcomed very nicely and done all the honors and is given a place to stay and all. In that sense, it is in Bhagavad. Okay. Then over here, what is happening, which is not in the verse, Rukmini is ready. And now neither there is a sign of Brahmana, neither any news has come. So she, in Bhagavad it is written that she feels that she is not good enough for the Lord. So Lord has rejected her and therefore Brahmana has not come back. Okay. But now in this verse we see when this Dvijasutam Tvat Upagama Vadinam, that when he is going to come, Krishna is going to come, Tvad Upagama Vadinam, he tells, then she immediately offers namaskar, is in this verse. But when she was completely like helpless, imagining that her wedding is not going to happen, this is the thing, now it's gone out of her hand. That time, and it is now she's going to be taken to the temple, all set and go. That time that Brahmana arrives, and his arrival and his face expression is the news for her. What she was wanting to hear, that description is in Bhagavad. And then she was so happy that he has brought that news that he's going to come by that face expression. She had nothing to give him but her namaskars only. And that's how she has prostrated. So this part comes in Bhagavad. But all these things, emotions, are just said in this one line. So many things. But Ji means just imagine so many things you have to say in that. So many incidences he covered. That Balam Upagataha, Bhishma has Manikita, Dvija has also come and she has also offered her pranams. बलसमेत बलानुगतो भवान् पुरमगाहत भीष्मकमानितः द्विजसुतं त्वदुपागमवादिनं धृतरसा तरसा प्रणनामसा. That her feelings, why this has to be her feelings, you should know that she felt finished now. No Brahman, no news. And from that complete despondency, just the sight of Brahman with his expression, she got the news that he is coming. What she has to offer, she has to give everything what she has, and she had nothing at that moment but her namaskara. So that's like a big thing that she has, fallen at his feet and sought his blessings, and she has offered herself at his feet for doing that for her. There is so much into that pranam. It's not merely a pranam. Hari Om Arjun, ready? Let us start the second one. Bhuvana Kantam Aveksha Bhavad Vapuhu.
भुवनकान्तमवेक्ष्य भवद्वपुः
नृपसुतस्य निशम्य च चेष्टितम्.
नृपसुतस्य निशम्य च चेष्टितम्
विपुलखेदजुषां पुरवासिनाम्.
विपुलखेदजुषां परवासिनाम्
सरुदितैरुदितैरगम् अन्निशा.
सरुदितैरुदितैरगम् अन्निशा भुवनकान्तमवेक्ष्य भवद्वपुः नृपसुतस्य निशम्य च चेष्टितम् विपुलखेदजुषां परवासिनां सरुदितैरुदितैरगमन्निशा.
So this is on one side. Other scene is in the city, what is happening. So now Krishna has arrived and Bhuvana Kantama Veksha Bhavad Vapuhu. Bhuvana Kanta, the one who is in the world, Kantam, so beautiful, the most beautiful in the world. Your Tvad Aveksha Vapuhu, seeing your Bhavad Vapuhu, your seeing your body, they were so mesmerized. Then Nrupasutasya Nishamya Cha Cheshtitam, and hearing about Nrupasuta, who's the king, means Nrupasuta, his son, means Rukmini's brother, Rukmi. So Cheshtitam, what he did, like forcefully getting married her to Chedi king, Shishupala. So now having heard that, Vipula Kheda Jusham, the all the other those people were they hearing that this is what is happening to Rukmini done by her own brother. They were Vipula Kheda. They were very, very sad. Who? They means Puravasena, all the city dwellers. And Ruditair Agaman Nisha. The whole night went in talking and telling and lamenting. Oh, this should not have been done. Oh, this should not have been done. This should not have been done. So people also didn't like her wedding with Shishupala. And that Rukmi has forced upon with his own decision without consulting father. All that we remember from the previous Dashakam of last week. So they also didn't like it. And they're Rudite. They're crying and telling again and again, that lamenting. Gaman Nisha, the whole night is gone like this. That what Rukmi has done is not correct. No, she doesn't deserve Shishupal. See, Bhavad, Bhuvana Kantam, seeing Bhuvana Kanta, now people have also feeling bad about that wedding. भुवनकान्तमवेक्ष भवद्वपुः नृपसुतस्य निशम्य च चेष्टिताम् विपुलखेदजुषां पुरवासिनां सरुदितैरुदितैरगमन्निशा. This Nishamya, hearing this word, I went to this Gopika Geetam, where we have got this word Nishamyatam Radhe. Okay. So for those who are memorizing it, they have come to know already. But those who are not in that group of memorizing and those who are only in the class, we will do that Dashakam again because there are changes in the pronunciations over there in few places. With the Sandhi rule, what we are chanting, what we have learned, that needs modification. So we did the chanting as per the tradition, but as per the Sandhi rule, it can't be like that. So there are few places where, so on one of the days, because we have studied that already, we just need the correction of pronunciation. So one day, when any of the days when we are finishing little bit early, we'll quickly address that Dashakam, which is 68th Dashakam. We have to repeat it. The pronunciation is flawed, I would say. Okay. Did I read this? Yes. भुवनकान्तमवेक्ष भवद्वपुः नृपसुतस्य निशम्य च चेष्टितम् विपुलखेदजुषां पुरवासिनां सरुदितैरुदितैरगमन्निशा. तदनुवन्दितुमिन्दुमुखी शिवा
तदनुवन्दितुमिन्दुमुखी शिवाम्
विहितमङ्गलभूषणभासुरा
विहितमङ्गलभूषणभासुरा
निरगमद्भवदर्पितजीविता
निरगमद्भवदर्पितजीविता
स्वपुरतः पुरतः सुभटावृता
स्वपुरतः पुरतः सुभटावृता तदनुवन्दितुमिन्दुमुखी शिवाम् विहितमङ्गलभूषणभासुरा निरगमद्भवदर्पितजीविता स्वपुरतः पुरतः सुभटावृता.
Thank you, Vasunani, Sanita. Satadanu, then what happened? Vanditum, to bow down. Tumunavya means to do something. So Vanditum, to pray. for praying. Indumukhi, Indu moon. Indumukhi, the whose face is like moon. Shivam. So this Vanditum Shivam. Okay. So to pray for Goddess Parvati, this beautiful moon faced who? Rukmini. Vihita Mangala Bhushana Bhasura. Vihita wearing Mangala Bhushana. All auspicious ornaments, and she was, and also very beautiful, those nice shining ornaments, wearing this moon faced Rukmini. Niragamat went for Shivam Vanditu. And how is she? Bhavat Arpita Jivita. She's not only Indumukhi, she's not only Mangala Bhushana Bhasura, but she's also Bhavat to you, Arpita Jivita, who has offered her life to you. Bhattatari ji is saying to the Lord, that the one who has offered the life to you, the one who is Indumukhi, the one who is a Mangala Bhushana Bhasura, Swapurataha, from her dwelling place, Purataha, in front of her, Subhatavrita. Subhatavrita, the soldiers protecting her. Means under complete guard to pray to Goddess Parvati. She has now left her place. So she is now out in open and the guards are protecting her. Tadanu vanditumindu shivam vihita mangala bhushana bhasura niragamad bhavadarpita jivita swapuratah puratah subhatavrita. Is Prahlad there? All that is, how can volunteer this one? Okay, so just number 4. Kulavadhubhirupetya kumarika.
कुलवधूभिरुपेत्य कुमारिका
Girisutam paripujya cha sadaram.
गिरिसुतां परिपूज्य च सादरम्
Muhurayachata tatpada pankaje.
मुहुरयाचत तत्पदपङ्कजे
Nipatita patitam tava kevalam.
निपतिता पतितान्तव केवलम् कुलवधूभिरुपेत्य कुमारिकां गिरिसुतां परिपूज्य च सादरम् मुहुरयाचत तत्पदपङ्कजे निपतिता पतितान्तव केवलम्.
So now what happens? Kulavadhubhihi upetya. Bhihi, when it comes third case and plural. So Kulavadhubhihi, all the elderly women in the house, all the elders, upetya, with them. This Kumarika means Rukmini. Giri Sutta. Giri, Himalaya Sutta. Himalayas daughter. To worship Parvati. Paripuja cha Sadaram. With great reverence. Having offered her namaskars and puja and all to her. Muhu ayachata. Muhuhu ayachata. Again, begged, requested, prayed. Ayachata. For what? Tatpada pankaje. At her lotus feet. Nipatita. Having fallen down at Parvati ji's feet. Nipatita. Tatpada pankaje. Muhura yachata. What? Patitam tava kevalam. Tava, to Bhattatari ji saying, you only should be her husband. Only kevalam tava patitam kevalam muhura yachata. Again and again, she was praying at the lotus feet of Goddess Parvati that Bhagwan only should be her husband. Kulavadhubhirupetya kumarika.
Excuse me. गिरिसुतां परिपूज्य च सादरं मुहुरयाचत तत्पदपङ्कजे निपतिता पतितां तव केवलम्. लता. Number 5. समवलोक कुतूहल संकुले
समवलोक कुतूहल संकुले
नृपकुले निभृतं त्वयि च स्थिते
नृपकुले निभृतं त्वयि च स्थिते
नृपसुता निरगाद्गिरिजालयात्
नृपसुता निरगाद्गिरिजालयात्
सुरुचिरौ रञ्जितदिङ्मुखा
सुरुचिरौ रुचिरञ्जितदिङ्मुखा समवलोक कुतूहल संकुले नृपकुले निभृतं त्वयि च स्थिते नृपसुता निरगाद्गिरिजालयात् सुरुचिरौ रुचिरञ्जितदिङ्मुखा.
See, now the description is also so very beautiful. Samavaloka kutuhala sankule. So they were nicely seeing Kutuhala with excitement, with joy. All those who have gathered over there, Sankula, who? All the Nrupakulas were there. Nrupa king. Nrupakula, so many kings and all had gathered over there. And Nibhrutam Twai cha sthite. Twai, by you have Nibhrutam sthite. You are staying not in so visible place. You are, he's not particularly hiding, but he's not noticeable. In that way, he's saying, he's not gathering any attraction. Now, because she has come, all eyes are on Rukmini, who is so resplendent. So everybody is going to look at her only. So Lord has now taken some backseat. Okay. And this Nrupasuta means who? Rukmini. Niraga Girijalayat. Girijalaya from the temple of Parvati. Niraga. She comes out. Then Suruchiram Ruchiranjita Dingmukha. So her beauty was giving joy also, and everybody was stunned. Dingmukha. In all the directions, that much resplendent she was looking. So she was just, outshining everybody who was present there. And that beauty is attracting a lot of attention, giving people joy. And they were stunned seeing that in all the directions, not only one who are in front of her. Samavaloka kutuhala sankule nrupakule nibhutan tvai cha sthite nrupasuta niragad girijalayat suruchirau ruchiranjita dingmukha. Number 6. Lataji. भुवन मोहन रूप रुचा तदा
भुवन मोहन रूप रुचा तदा
विवशिताखिल राज कदम्बया
विवशिताखिल राज कदम्बया
त्वमपि देव कटाक्ष विमोक्षणैः
त्वमपि देव कटाक्ष विमोक्षणैः
प्रमदयामदयान् चकृषे मनात्
प्रमदया मदयान् चकृषे मनात् भुवन मोहन रूप रुचा तदा विवशिताखिल राज कदम्बया त्वमपि देव कटाक्ष विमोक्षणैः प्रमदया मदयान् चकृषे मनात्.
Very beautiful line. See, Bhuvana Mohana Rupa Rucha. She is the one, this Bhuvana, whole world, she has attracted. So beautiful she is. And Vivashita Khila Raja Kadambaya. So all whoever were present over there, they became Vivasha. They were so helpless. Means everybody was probably feeling that they want her. In that means she has just enchanted everybody who was present over there. So beautiful. And in the second line, Bhattacharyji is saying, Tvamapi, you also, O Lord, with her, Kataksha Vimokshana. She's giving the side glances. This Kataksha, Pramadaya, even by little error, Madayan Chakrushemana. You also actually fell in love, or you also got enchanted, yeah, Manak, a little bit with her beauty. Whole world is okay, but Lord is Bhuvana Sundara, Lord is a Lord, you also have got some love, Madayan Chakrusha. You also got enchanted little bit when her side glances were falling. भुवन मोहन रूप रुचातदा विवशिताखिल राज कदम्बया त्वमपि देव कटाक्ष विमोक्षणैः प्रमदया मदयाञ्च कृषे मना. पुष्पाजी. Okay. Number 7. Here comes that verse now. क्वनुगमिष्यसि चन्द्रमुखीतिताम्
क्वनुगमिष्यसि चन्द्रमुखीतिताम्
सरसमेत्य करेण हरन् क्षणात्.
सरसमेत्य करेण हरन् क्षणात्
समधिरोप्य रथन् त्वमपाहृथा
समधिरोप्य रथन् त्वमपाहृथा
भुवि ततो विततो निनदो द्विषाम्.
भुवि ततो विततो निनदो द्विषाम् क्वनुगमिष्यसि चन्द्रमुखीतिताम् सरसमेत्य करेण हरन् क्षणात् समधिरोप्य रथन् त्वमपाहृथा भुवि ततो विततो निनदो द्विषाम्.
So this is the moment when he has done Rukmini Hare. Just a thought came over here. We should chant Sadasarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtana over here. I have not learned it while doing. It has just popped out now. So we will do Sada. So Pushpaji, you chant the verse with Sadasarvatra.
क्वनुगमिष्यसि चन्द्रमुखीतिताम् सरसमेत्य करेण हरन् क्षणात् समधिरोप्य रथन् त्वमपाहृथा भुवि ततो विततो निनदो द्विषाम्. सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा.
Even I have written, we will forget, so better write. I have not written in my book, I'm writing it now only. Yeah, so this is the moment, this is the time. When now all eyes are on her. Lord's also eyes are on her. What happens? Lord approaches her from nowhere. And sees so lovingly, Kvanugamishyasi Chandramukhi, oh beautiful one. A moon face beauty. Kwanu Gamishyasi, where are you going? Tam, she asks her, Sarasam, quickly, Etya Karena, with by his hand, Haram Kshanat. Within a moment, he has stolen her. How? Samadhiropya helped her with a hand. Ratham, on his chariot, he pulled her. And Tvam, you, Aparhuta, you then kidnapped her. Oh my God. Bhuvi tato vitato ninado dvisham. Dvisham, all the enemies. The sky has fallen now, Bhuvi Tato. What noise and what chaos has been caused at that moment. All eyes are on her, and then suddenly this has happened within no time. That is Govinda. And she is not shocked. He has talked to her lovingly and probably now given her the confidence. You have asked for this moment, okay? He just didn't simply grab her and gave her, he spoke to her a little, okay? Kwanuga Vishyasi asked her also, where are you going? I'm going to marry, calling me, I'm going to marry someone else in that sense. Kwanuga Vishyasi Chandramukhi Titam Sarasametya Karena Harankshanan समधिरोप्यरथं त्वमपार्था भुवि ततो निनदो द्विषाम् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा. So, sky has fallen down in Kundina. Next. Ajay. क्वनुगतः पशुपाल इति क्रुधा
क्वनुगतः पशुपाल इति क्रुधा
कृतरणायदुभिश्च जिता नृपाः
कृतऋणायदुभिश्च जिता नृपाः
न तु भवानुदचाल्यत तैरहो
न तु भवानुदचाल्यत तैरहो
पिशुनकैरिव केसरी
पिशुनकैरिव केसरी क्वनुगतः पशुपाल इति क्रुधा कृतरणायदुभिश्च जिता नृपाः न तु भवानुदचाल्यत तैरहो पिशुनकैरिव केसरी.
So, of course, as who our Balramji has expected, no? His Sachiji. Okay, I got your name. As expected, of course, the war and the battle began over there. Then, Kwanugataha Pashupala, where that Pashupala, cowherd boy, Kwanugataha, where he has gone. Iti, like this, Kruddhaha, angered, Krutarana Yadhubhishcha. They were angered and they were making war with all the Yadhubi. And this Yadhubi, by Yadhubis, Jita Nrupaha, they defeated those kings who came on the war. Na tu Bhavan Udachalayat, who didn't move by all this. It was like Pishunakaihi. You were not moved by this Pishunakaihi, by these wicked people. How? Shunakaihi iva Kesari. Shunakaha, dog. Iva like, Kesari is like this lion. Okay. If lion has to attack and pick up his meat and go, whatever there, he will pick up his meat. Others can just be over there. So like that, alone, single-handedly, Lord has taken and gone. Now all these wicked people are called as Shunaka. You said 10 bar, you do whatever, what, you are my match. In that sense, Lord has gone. So this Pishunakahi, wicked people, and Shunakahi, this Bhattathariji is matching the words is very beautiful and needs to be enjoyed. Kwanugata Pashupala iti krudha. Iti krudha is a dvitva, not to forget. Iti krudha kritaranaya dubhishcha jita nrupaha natu bhavanudachalyata tairaho. Oh, what a wonder this is. Pishunakairiva kesari. Shlokaji. Tadanu Rukmini Magatamahave. Rukmina. Okay. Tadanu Rukmina Magatamahave.
तदनु रुक्मिणमागतमाहवे.
So not to say Rukmini like I did, huh? That was it is for Rukmi. Rukmini is our Lakshmi. Lord has taken. Rukmi is her brother. Rukminam agatam ahave. Huh? So be careful, otherwise the slip of tongue should not happen, which happened for me now. Tadanu Rukminam agatam ahave.
तदनु रुक्मिणमागतमाहवे.
वधमुपेक्ष निबध्य विरूपयन्
वधमुपेक्ष्य निबध्य विरूपयन्.
धृतमदं परिमुच्य बलोक्तिभिः
हृतमदं परिमुच्य बलोक्तिभिः.
पुरमया रमया सह कान्तया
पुरमया रमया सह कान्तया. तदनु रुक्मिणमागतमाहवे. वधमुपेक्ष्य निबध्य विरूपयन्. हृतमदं परिमुच्य बलोक्तिभिः. पुरमया रमया सह कान्तया.
So Rukminam agata ahave. Ahava battlefield. Ahave in the battlefield. Rukmina means to wage a war against Rukmini. Rukmi has come. And Rukminam ahar Vadhum upeksha. So Vadhum upeksha, for a while Lord has kept her away and keeping her what he has Vadham upeksha, not Vadhu. Vadham upeksha. Vadha is to kill. Upeksha, not killing. Vadha upeksha. He has not killed Rukmi. Only the killing part is left aside, but rest everything he did. What he did? Nibadhya, he tied him. And Virupayan. Virupayan means he disfigured him. So in Bhagavad we find that he shaved his mush and his head. So a Kshatriya living like that disfigured, no, he is not Vadham Upeksha. He didn't kill. Possible to kill. In Bhagavad it is said when he was about to kill Rukmini fell at Lord's feet. And she asked to spare her brother. So Lord spared on Rukmini's, her lotus hand touching his lotus feet and begging for her brother's life. All this is in Bhagavad. So Lord spared. But spared means what? He Rita Madam Parimucha. He lowered his pride. Tied him, lowered his pride by disfiguring. Now means it's going to be very tough for him to go back. But anyways, in Bhagavad it is found that Rukmi leaves Kundinam and says he will enter Kundinam only when he gets Rukmini back. Till then he won't enter. And saying this, he has already gone. But now over here, once he has met Krishna, he is disfigured also. And that Balokti Bihi, that means he has said all this Puramaya. So by Balramji's words, he is been Parimucha. He is left. So first his Rutamadam, his pride has been lowered. And then Balrama's words, by Balrama's word Parimucha, having left him, because he was tied, then Puramaya Ramaya Sahakantaya, with Puramaya, he went back to his place, Sahakantaya, Ramaya Saha, with Lakshmiji, with Rukminiji, he went back to Dwarka. So much has happened, but in Bhagavad we will get so much more also, the description of this war and how he was ashamed, put to shame. And he doesn't go. I forgot the name of the city. He starts a new city for him, but he doesn't go home. रुक्मी तदनु रुक्मिणमागतमाहवे वधमुपेक्ष निबध्य विरूपयन् हृतमदं परिमुच्य बलोक्तिभिः पुरमया रमया सह कान्तया लीला Number 10. नवसमागमलज्जितमानसाम्
नवसमागमलज्जितमानसा
प्रणय कौतुकजृम्भितमन्मथाम्
प्रणय कौतुकजृम्भितमन्मथाम्
अरमयः खलु नाथ यथा सुखम्
अरमयः खलु नाथ यथा सुखम्
रहसितां हसितां शुलसन्मुखीम्
रहसितां हसितां सुलसन्मुखी नवसमागमलज्जितमानसाम् प्रणय कौतुकजृम्भितमन्मथाम् अरमयः खलु नाथ यथा सुखम् रहसितां हसितां सुलसन्मुखी
So now in this verse Navasamagama, the new experience, Samagama Lajjita Manasaha, Malajjita Manasam, Rukmini was shy to be in the presence of Lord, and then Pranaya Kautuka Jrumbhita Manmatham. So Pranaya Kautuka, Jrumbhita is increased, Manmatha love has increased, Pranaya Kautuka with joy and love, it's increased. And then Aramaya Khalu and Aramayah Natha Yatha Sukham Rahasitam Hasitamshu La Sanmukhi. Lord then Aramayah gave her a private time and increased her joy many-fold and brought back small smile on her face. So Rukmini, she was Lasan shining also and smiling also, being with the Lord in a rahasi, in their private time. Navasamagamalajjitamanasam pranaya kautukajrumbhitamanmatham aramayah khalu natha yatha sukham rahasitam hasitam shulasanmukhim. Sri Vidya ji, you are ready now?
Yes, Ashaji.
विविधनर्मभिरेव महर्निशम्
विविधनर्मभिरेव महर्निशम्
प्रमदमाकलयन् पुनरेकदा
प्रमदमाकलयन् पुनरेकदा
ऋजुमतेः किल वक्रगिरा भवान्
ऋजुमतेः किल वक्रगिरा भवान्
वरतनोरतनोदल्तिलोलता
वरतनोरतनोदतिलोलता विविधनर्मभिरेव महर्निशम् प्रमदमाकलयन् पुनरेकदा ऋजुमतेः किल वक्रगिरा भवान् वरतनोरतनोदतिलोलताम्.
Thank you. Okay, so now Vividha Narmabhihi, various kinds of funny things. Evam Aharnisham, day and night. Then Pramadam Akalayan, giving her big happiness. Like this, the time was all going on. Lord would crack jokes and give her lovely time and all. Then once what happened? Rujumatehe, the one whose mind is very straight and simple, who? Rukmini is. Vakragira Bhavan. Vakra is a twisted or crooked. Gira, words. Bhavan, your twisted words. Varatano ratanodati lolatam. Varatanoho. Vara, great. Tanoho, body, beautiful body. Tanoha, Varatanoha, Atanot. Atanot gave her. Atanot, how do we, Atanot, Atilolata. Mind was agitated. Lord said something and her mind was agitated one day. Lord gave her a lot of happiness, but one day he caused her distress. So in Bhagavad we find that Lord said, you are of Kshatriya, you would have got so many better kings, but look at me, I am not like this. And you would have got of your match people with same richness and same status and all. Over here, those who don't have money and those who are helpless, to them I love more. And they are my thing. So like that, Lord, so many words have come in Bhagavad. So one big story Lord has told her. And because of such talks, her mind was agitated. So Bhattatriji has not mentioned. He has just said Vakragira. But in Bhagavad, we will find like, means, and he made her feel that the poor people are better and his heart is with them, like that. So then she literally cried in Bhagavad, it has come, and her eyes swelled up with tears and things. विविधनर्मभिरेव महर्निशं प्रमदमाकलयन् पुनरेकदा Rujumate kila vakra. So Ruju is straight, Vakra is opposite of Ruju. So that's why he has phrase, and with that simple one pada, everything has come. One straight and simple, and with all his crooked words, Lord was testing her, or probably also breaking her pride in some places and other. Yeah. Okay. So something we'll see. Rujumate kila vakragira bhavan varatano ratano datilolatam. Tadadhikairathalalana kaushalaihi. You can unmute yourself. Padmaji.
तदधिकैरथलालन कौशलैः
Kaushalai. Okay. Pranayinimmadhikam sukhayannimam.
प्रणयिनीमधिकं सुखयन्निमाम्
Ai mukunda bhavacharitaninah.
अयि मुकुन्द भवच्चरितानिनः
Pragadatangadataantimapakuru.
प्रगदत्ताङ्गदतान्तिमपाकुरु तदधिकैरथलालनकौशलैः प्रणयिनीमधिकं सुखयन्निमाम् अयि मुकुन्द भवच्चरितानिनः प्रगदत्ताङ्गदतान्तिमपाकुरु
So, tadadhikaihi atalalana kaushalaihi. So much love and all was poured on her, and she was made pranayini madhikam sukhayannimam. She was made happier than before. Lots of love showered. She was made happier than before. Ai Mukunda. Mukunda is address. So Mukunda, one who frees. One who frees a person is Mukunda. Mukunda. Bhavacharataninah pragadatam gadatantim upakuru. Huh? Your charitas, your glories. Huh? When we chant, when we sing your glories, they remove so much problem. So you also remove. Gadatanti, the suffering, apakuru, remove, please free from all these diseases. Veena, over here, do we chant any Rukmini's praise over here? Anything?
No, not to my knowledge.
Okay. One note
Only
I have
that.
written. Only? Sorry?
No, that full this thing is done. No, the Nivedyam is done. Other than that, I don't remember.
No, we don't chant anything over here. Huh? Okay, over here in the note it is written Rukmini Kalyana song. So I
When you do it like when you do it as Sampurna Narayaniyam, some people do a full Rukmini Kalyanam at that time. So then
is there
they
a different
sing the
song?
Sita Kalyanam by Bogame, they say.
Okay. Okay. So only those lines are said, or Sita Kalyanam, that full song is said?
Actually, I haven't heard the full song being sung.
Okay.
But they do, I know.
Okay. So in the note it is written, but now I'm not remembering. So you can write over there Rukmini Kalyana song and keep. I'll come back with it, what we are going to chant at the end. But otherwise, I have not ended it with anything different. So it was just going on. Okay. Excuse me. तदधिकैरथलालनकौशलैः प्रणयिनीमधिकं सुखयन्निमाम् अयि मुकुन्द भवच्चरितानि नः प्रगदताङ्गदतान्तिमपाकुरु सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्दा गोविन्दा. So with his grace we have seen the divine wedding. Our Lord has taken her, brought happiness to so many, but caused distress to those who are not aligned in Dharma. Okay. Now, let's go into the 80th Dashakam. Whether we complete or not, we will see. We should be able to complete. Half an hour plus 50 in 45 minutes. Again, little dicey one. There are so many chandasas in this. Okay. So we will try to do it. Where are my kids gone? Got them. Yes, we do. Kathy. So all the chandasas in this Dashakam we have seen before. And this is Syamanta of Akhanam. Syamanta is that one precious gem. About that it is. About that jewel, the story is. So again, in Bhagavad, we have got elaborate description. Natagiriji has said it all in one Dashaka. We took time for Rukmini Kalyanam bringing in Bhagavad, but for this Dashaka, I'll just translate the verse. I will not bring in Bhagavad, otherwise we may not complete. Those who have interest to read it soon after the class, read it up. Opening the Bhagavad, going into the chapter 10, canto 10, and there are two parts of that 10th, Purvartha and Uttara. So in that second part, 56th and 57th chapter will have this. Okay. The previous chapter was 53, 54 and 60. The Rukmini Vivaham which we did, 60. So between 55 and 60, this 56 and 57 is coming into this. Okay. Vasanta Tilaka, let us start, my dear. Satrajitastvamath lubdhavadharkalabdham.
Satrajitastvamath lubdhavadharkalabdham.
Divyam syamantakamanim bhagavannayachīhi.
दिव्यं स्यमन्तकमणिं भगवन्नयाचीः
तत्कारणं बहुविधं मम भाति नूनम्
तत्कारणं बहुविधं मम भाति नूनम्
तस्यात्मजान् त्वयिरतान् छलतो विवोढुम्
तस्यात्मजान् त्वयिरता छलतो विवोढु सत्राजितस्त्वमथ लुब्ध वदर्कलब्धं दिव्यंस्य मन्तकमणिं भगवन्नयाचीः तत्कारणं बहुविधं मम भाति नूनं तस्यात्मजान् त्वयि रता छलतो विवोढु.
So now in this story, it's about that Syamantaka jewel that is happening. So now the Satrajita, he got this jewel from Arka, from Surya. This jewel he got, who Satrajita got. Okay. And this Divyamani, this divine Syamantaka Mani, Bhagavan Ayachihi. God had asked, Bhagwan Shri Krishna, Lord asked him to give, but he actually, he didn't give. That is another story. Now Bhattatiri ji is saying, the karanam bahuvidham mama bhati noonam. Mama bhati. Bhattatiri ji is saying, I think many reasons will be there for asking that Syamantaka Mani from Satrajit noonam. One thing I am sure, Tasya Atmajam Tvairatam Chalato Vivodham. Vivodha to marry Tasya Atmaja, Satrajit's daughter, who was Tvairatam, who was loving you. You wanted to make one excuse to marry that. So Lord is recognizing who is loving Lord, how much. So Lord wanted to marry her. So he made an excuse of asking. He didn't ask her hand directly. So he asked Satrajit for that Syamantaka Mani. So again, Bhagavad will find great detail and it's very thrilling to read that. Satrajitastvamath lubdhavadharkalabdham divyam Syamantaka Manim bhagavannayachihi tatkaranam bahuvidham mama bhati noonam tasyatmajan tvairatan chalato vivodhum. Yes. Okay, now the chandas changes to Shikharini. Adattantantubhyam.
Adattantantubhyam.
Manivaramanenalpamanasa.
Manivaranmanenalpamanasa.
Prasenastadbhrata.
Prasenastadbhrata.
Galabhuvivahan prapamrigayam.
Galabhuvivahan prapamrigayam.
Ahannenau simhaha.
Ahanneham simhaha.
Manimahasi maam sabhramavashat.
Manimahasi maam sabhramavashat.
Kapindrastau hatva.
Kapindrastau hatva.
Manimapi cha balaya dadiva.
Nimapi cha balaya dadivan. Adattam tantubhyam manivaramanenalpamanasa. Prasenastadbhrata. Galabhuvivahan prapamrigaya. Ahannenau simhaha. Manimahasi maung sabhramavashat. Kapindrastau hatva. Manimapi cha balaya dadivan.
So now what the story goes forward. Adattam tam tubhyam. Tam, he, adattam, didn't give tubhyam to you. Fourth case, Yushmat Shabda. What? Manivaram, that great jewel, that Manivara, which is Shrestha in all the jewel. Anena alpa manasa. He alpa manasa, such a small minded, didn't have a big heart. That Lord has asked to give. Alpa manasa he had, by that he didn't give the money to the jewel to Satrajit, didn't give it to the Lord. Then Prasenaha tad bhrata, his brother Prasena, galabhuvi vahan, sporting it on his neck, prapamrugayam, went it for hunting. Then ahan enam, ahan, killing him. Who? Simha kills him, thinking what? Manim ahasi mamsa brahmavashad. Manim asi, money is like a piece of flesh, he thought. Who? Simha thought. The lion thought. In whose neck? In that brother's neck. What is that brother's name? Prasena's. Whose brother? Satrajit's brother. Okay. So that Simha kills Prasena. Then Kapindra, the king of all the Kapi, monkey, that means who? Jambavan. Hatva, kills the lion. And Manimapi, Balaya Dadivan. He takes that money and gives it to his Bala, to his daughter, Dadivan. Adattantam tubhyam manivaramanenalpamanasa prasenastadbhrata galabhuvivahan prapamrugayam ahannenam simhaha manima. Oh, we didn't did the summary of that, no? Suddenly it came to mind. Ahannenam simhaha manimahasi mamsa brahmavashat kapindrastam hatva manimapi cha balaya dadivan. That's it. Shashamsu Satrajit Giramanujanaastvam Maniharam. Satrajit Giram Anu. This we cannot separate. Satrajit Giram. We cannot separate that. So we have to say the whole line.
Shashamsu Satrajit Giramanujanaastvam Maniharam.
Jananam Piyusham Bhavati Guninan Doshakanika.
Jananam Piyusham Bhavati Guninan Doshakanika.
Tatas sarvatnyopi Swajana Sahito Margana Paraha.
Tatas sarvajnyopi Swajana Sahito Margana Paraha.
Prasenantan drishtva Harimapi gato bhukapi guham.
Prasenantan drishtva Harimapi gato bhukapi guham. Shashamsu Satrajit Giramanujanaastvam Maniharam. Jananam Piyusham Bhavati Guninan Doshakanika. Tatas sarvajnyopi Swajana Sahito Margana Paraha. Prasenantan drishtva Harimapi gato bhukapi guham.
Thank you, Arjun, Anu, Sarita, lovely chanting. Thank you. So now, Shashamsuhu. So what is happening now? Satrajit Giramanu. Satrajit's words. People are talking. Janaha Tvam Mani Haram. You have stolen that jewel. I'm saying money, but it is money. Money, not money. That jewel, that Samantaka money, you have stolen. Who? Because Krishna had asked, Lord had asked. Satrajit has not given. And now, this people know, Piyusham, it is very nice gossip. Huh? It's like sweet. Piyusham, Amrutam. What? Guninam dosha kanika. When there are good people and then some fault is seen, it's like a hot gossip. No, people like to talk about something. We ourselves must have experience. Something will do good for so many people. Something we must have not been possible to do. Whatever good is done, it's almost this one thing is uplifted by people. Okay, he has not done this or said this or whatever. So something when a good person who is, we say, flawless and all, if one flaw is seen, that is discussed, tossed and taken. So that's Jananam Piyusham Bhavati. So now God is the one who has stolen, is now this discussion, the hot topic in the place. Tataha, thereafter, Sarvajnaha api. You are knowing everything. Swajana Sahita. Even though if you are knowing everything, Swajana Sahita, with all the people, your own people, Margana Paraha, you went in search of it. Then Prasenantam Drushva, you saw Prasena over there. Harimapi Gato Bhuhu Kapi Guham. And then to that Kapi Guham, to that cave where the monkey was there, Gatabhu, you went over there. This word Hari, Hari would be Hari Lord. Okay. Hari would be monkey also. And Hari is also Simha. Okay. So Prasena is Društva and Hari Mupi. So over there, Hari is a Simha. Okay. So many names of Hari are there. So over here that Hari is lion. Saw Društva having seen, and Harimapi means saw Prasena also and saw the lion also, from where they can conclude that the lion had killed the Prasena. And Lord had no part in stealing, killing Prasena and getting the Syamantaka. It was lion who did. And then they saw this Kapi Guha also and they went to Kapi. And the lion was killed by the this so many scratches and all. So they realized, okay, the lion also is being killed by. So this was connected and then they went to the Kapi Guha. Chashamsu Satrajit Giramanujanaas Tvam Maniharam Jananam Piyusham Bhavati Guninan Dosha Kanika Tata Sarvatnyopi Svajana Sahito Margana Paraha Prasenantan Društva Harimapi Gato Bhuh Kapi Guham. So Bhuh Kapi Guham not to happen. Oh, keep holding the dirgha and then getting the visarga root. Oh, Kapi Guham should happen. Many times it doesn't happen when we are chanting. Kids' turns are over. Let us start. Okay. So, Manaji. Now, Prithvi Chandas. Bhavantamavitharkayan ativaya swayam jambhavan.
भवन्तमवितर्कयन्नतिवया स्वयं जाम्बवान्
Mukunda sharanau hi mam kaiharodhumityalapan, or manka, whichever way you want to do. You want to pause, then mam, otherwise manka with the anuswara.
मुकुन्द शरणौ हि माङ्क इह रोद्धुमित्यालपन्
विभो रघुपते हरे जय जयेत्यलं मुष्टिभिः.
विभो रघुपते हरे जय जयेत्यलं मुष्टिभिः.
चिरन्तव समर्चनं व्यधित भक्तचूडामणिः.
चिरन्तव समर्चनो व्यथित भक्तचूडामणिः. भवन्तमवितर्कयन्नितवया स्वयं जाम्बवान् मुकुन्द शरणौ हि माङ्क इह रोद्धुमित्यालपन्. विभो रघुपते हरे जय जयेत्यलं मुष्टिभिः. चिरन्तव समर्चनो व्यथित भक्तचूडामणिः.
So very short. In Bhagavad there is a long thing, but we will stick to this only and we'll get this translated. Bhavantam avitarkayan ativayaha. Bhavantam, Bhattacharya is saying to Lord, avitarkayan. To you, avitarkayan. He is not knowing. Who? This Kapindra is not knowing that it is the Lord. Ativayaha. He is having, he's so very old. This Swayam Jambavan, this Jambavan is not knowing. How he is Swayam Jambavan? Mukunda Sharanam. He is the one who is already Sharana to the Lord. His refuge is Lord already. He is saying, Mom, ka iha rodhum ityalapan. Who has come to attack me? Kaha iha rodhum. He is coming to stop me. Ityalapan. I am the one who is Sharana to Mukunda. Who is coming to attack me? Vibho Raghupate Hare Jaya Jaya iti alam mushtibhihi. He is saying, Jai Hari, Jai Ram. He is not knowing that it is the Lord. And he is already chanting Lord's name. And mushtibhihi with the blows, chiram, a long time. Tava Samarchan. He has given samarchana to do the archana, worshipping the Lord. Vyadhita Bhakta Chudamani, and he performed that. Bhakta Chudamani, he is the greatest amongst all the bhaktas. Bhakta Chudamani. Chudamani is the head. We keep. Now we have that text, Viveka Chudamani, where Vivek is kept highest. Bhakta Chudamani, that Bhakta who is at the highest. Bhavantam ativaya swayam jambavat mukunda sharanau himankai harodhumityalapan vibho raghupate hare jaya jayetyalam mushtibhi chirantava samarchanam vyadhita bhakta chudamanihi samarchayau Samarchanam Vyadhita, when we are doing, we might not have breath to come to Bhakta Chudamanihi. So it's good to pause over there. But if you are able to hold the breath, then you do the Anuswara. Okay, next. Iti Chandas, we have also done. Budhvathatena dattam.
बुद्ध्वा तथेन दत्ताम्
Yeah.
बुद्ध्वा तथेन दत्ताम्
First Tena, I heard Mahaprana Tena. Navaramaniim Varamanim cha Navaramaniim Varamanim cha parigrinhan.
नवरमणिं वरमणि च परिगृह्णन्
Anugrinhan namumagaha.
अनुगृह्णन्नमुमागाः
Sapadi cha satrajite manim pradaha.
सपदि च सत्राजिते मणिं प्रादाः बुद्ध्वाथ तेन दत्तां नवरमणिं वरमणि च परिगृह्णन्
Sorry, my connection had gone. Could you chant? I didn't hear only the chanting.
बुद्ध्वाथ तेन दत्तां नवरमणिं वरमणि च परिगृह्णन् अनुगृह्णन्नमुमागाः सपदि च सत्राजिते मणिं प्रादाः
So in the previous verse, if we see in the third line, last word mushtibhihi. So that's all is the description. That he has chanting Lord's name, he is giving the blows. That's all. So from that, directly into the next verse, that Buddha, from there, having known what Atha, Tena Datta, that having known that this is the Lord, then what he has done? Navaramani. Navaramani means his daughter. And Varamani, that Mani Shrestha is that jewel, that Samantakamani. He has Dattam given to the Lord. And what Lord has done? Parigrinhan. The Lord has taken it, accepted that. And then what he has done? Anugrinhan. He blessed. And Agaha. Agaha came back. Sapadi. Immediately, Satrajite Mani Pradaha. To Satrajita, this money he gave back. See, I am not. See, this is the thing people have seen. Prasena was dead. There the lion was also dead. It was this monkey, and this monkey is this is this. And now he said, it was not me. This is your money. You take it. Jambavati is his daughter, Jambavan's daughter. Lord has married Jambavati also. बुद्ध्वाथ तेन दत्तां नवरमणीं वरमणीं च परिगृह्णन्. Navaramani is dirgha, Varamani is rasva. So keep that mindful in the chanting. Anugryह्णन् namugaha. Anugryह्णन् namumagaha. Sapadi cha satrajite manim pradaha. Lataji. Sarini Chandas, we have done before. Tadanu sakhalu vrilalo vilola vilochanam.
Tadanu sakhalu vrilalo vilola vilochanam.
I didn't think I have said vri dirgha. I might have missed it. Duhitara dhiman Bhamangiraiva pararpitam.
Duhitaramaho dhiman bhamangiraiva pararpitam.
Aditamanina tubhyam labhyam sametya bhavanapi.
Aditamanina tubhyam labhyam sametya bhavanapi.
Pramuditamanastasya vadanmaningahanaashayah.
Pramuditamanastasya vadanmaningahanaashayah. Tadanu sakhalu vrilalo vilola vilochanam. Duhitaramaho dhiman Bhamangiraiva pararpitam. Aditamanina tubhyam labhyam sametya bhavanapi. Pramuditamanastasya vadanmaningahanaashayah.
So now in this verse, so many things has happened. So now, Tadanu, thereafter Kalu, Vrila Lolaha. So Vrila Lolaha, he was ashamed, Satrajit, that he had blamed Lord. And Vilola Vilochanam, the eyes that are moving past. Duhitaram, Duhitara is his daughter, Dhiman. Dhiman is Satrajit. Over here, Bhama, Satyabhama. Gira eva pararpitam. By word, he had given word that he is going to marry his daughter to somebody else. So in Bhagavad we get the name Shatadhanva, but you'll have to read that. So we'll just quickly go through this. Otherwise, we will lose our grace time of 15 minutes before Gita. So he had given that word to her, but now he takes, so he's intelligent, he takes that. And Manina, Adadita Manina Tubhyam Labhyam Sametya Bhavanapi, with the money also, and the daughter, Tubhyam Adita. He gave not only Satyabhama to Lord, he also gave the money to the Lord, Samet Bhavanapi, Pramudita Manaha Tasya eva adan manim gahanashayah. Eva mani adan. And the Lord also happily, he returned that money. Lord was not interested in money. Lord was interested in Satyabhama only. He takes Satyabhama and returns back his Samantaka to him. Tadanu स खलु व्रीलालोलो विलोल विलोचनाम् दुहितरमहो धीमान् भामाङ्गिरैव परार्पिताम् अदितमणिना तुभ्यं लभ्यं समेत्य भवानपि प्रमुदितमनास्तस्यैवादान्मणिं गहनाशयः. Okay. Srividya ji, you can do now or you want to wait till end?
I'll do.
Good.
Harsha ji, I'll do.
Srividya ji has joined after a long time. So she said, first let me hear and I'll raise my hand. Don't ask me first. Okay. But she's chanting well. She's our best chanter from beginning. But suddenly something happened. But now I hope you've got your rhythm back. We missed you actually. Okay, now back to Vasanta Tilaka. Vrilakulam ramayati tvai satyabhamam ramayati tvai zadvitva. Ramayati tvai satyabhamam.
Vrilakulam ramayati tvayi satyabhamam.
Very good. Kaunteya daha kathayatha kurun prayate.
कौन्तेयदाह कथयाथ कुरून् प्रयाते.
Okay, it was a dirgha. I thought it was a rasva sound. Is it dirgha for everybody?
प्रयाते.
No, kuru in,
Kurun.
Okay, because then only it will fit in the tune. But I somehow fitted it into rasva, but it's a dirgha then. He Gandhineya kritavarma girani patya.
He Gandhineya kritamarva nipaatya.
Satrajitam shatadhanur manimajahara.
Satrajitam shatadhanur manimajahara. Vrilakulam ramayati tvayi satyabhamam. Kaunteyadah kathayath kurun prayate. He Gandhineya kritavarma nipaatya. Satrajitam shatadhanur manimajahara.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank
you. Okay. Vrilakula, very overcome with shyness. Ramayati, enjoying tvai in you. Oh, Satyabhama was enjoying in you, Bhattakiriji is saying. Then Kaunteya, Kunti Putras are Kaunteya, Daha Kathaya. Daha Kathayatha, hearing that Kunti Putras were burnt in that Lakshagriha, that story. Kurun Prayate, Lord has left now to Kurun, means to them, means to Hastinapura. And over there also now one more story is coming. Gandhineya Krutavarma Gira. Gandhineyas and Krutavarma's Gira words. So Gandhineya is our Akrura. And Krutavarma's on their words, Nipatya has been Satrajitam Nipatya. Satrajita has been killed. By whom? Shatadhanu. By Shatadhanu. Means Satrajit has not had given word that his daughter will be married to Shatadhanu, right? But now he has taken back and given to Lord. So now these two, Krutavarma and Gandhineya, Akrura, by their promptings, Shatadhanu has Satrajita Nipatya, having killed him, Manimajahar. He took that money now. So now that money is with Shatadhanu. How many people are behind that money? Money. Anything precious, it's being chased. That's why remain simple. Nobody will chase. Then we are in eyes of too many people. Oh my God. Praises will come and the bricks will also follow. More bricks. Less praises. Okay. Only those who value the values will praise. But very few people value the values. So then bricks only. Like how they found it Piyusham Bhavati, no? That Lord has taken, so the discussion even for the people was a Piyusha. Hello, Lord. So whoever is doing good, And one flower comes finished, the sky is fallen on that person. व्रीलाकुलां रमयति त्वयि सत्यभामां कौन्तेय दाह कथयाथ कुरून् प्रयाते नीगान्दिनेय कृतवर्म गिरानिपात्य सत्राजितं शतधनुर्मणिमा जहार. Sajid. शोकात् कुरूनुपगतामवलोक्य कान्ताम्
शोकात् कुरूनुपगतामवलोक्य कान्ताम्
हत्वा द्रुतं शतधनुं समहर्षयस्ताम्.
हत्वा द्रुतं शतधनु समहर्षयस्ताम्.
रत्ने सशङ्कैव मैथिलगेहमेत्य
रत्ने सशङ्क इव मैथिलगेहमेत्य
रामो गदां समशिशिक्षत धार्तराष्ट्राम्.
रामो
धार्तराष्ट्रम्, not Ram, sorry.
रामो गदां समशिशिक्षत धार्तराष्ट्रम्. शोकात् कुरूनुपगतामवलोक्य कान्ताम् हत्वा द्रुतं शतधनु समहर्षयस्ताम्. रत्ने सशङ्क इव मैथिलगेहमेत्य रामो गदां समशिशिक्षत धार्तराष्ट्रम्.
Shishikshata, you said? Samashishikshata.
समशिशिक्षत धार्तराष्ट्रम्.
Good. So now again there is too many stories covered into one shloka, so we'll just touch this shloka. But rest, please go and read Bhagavatam. Even if you don't read shlokas of Bhagavatam, it's okay. Read the translation to get and fix that story in the mind. It will help in chanting. Otherwise, it will just be one lip service. But with that bhav, what has happened and that feeling, and to live with that story, the meaning, if we know, the bhav in the chanting will come. So I'm stressing on that. We have few minutes only and we have to finish. How many? 3 verses we have to finish. Okay. Shokat. In the shoka, in the grief. Kurun upagatam. From Kuru, Lord has returned. Avalokya kantam. Kantam shokat avalokya. After returning from Hastinapur, Lord saw his wife is in the pool of sorrow. Hatva dhrutam shatadhanum. Immediately, Lord Hatva Shatadhanum. Lord killed Shatadhanu immediately. Samarshayastam. And he brought back her happiness. Because he killed her father. Satrajit was her father. He is killed by Shatadhanu. Then, Ratnesa Shankaiva Maithila Gehametya. So, Ramaha, in the 4th line, Ramaha is Balaramaha. He was having doubt about this jewel, what it is. But by the time he has reached Maithila, Gruhametya, and Gadam Samashikshata Dhartarashtram. Dhartarashtram is Duryodhana. To him, he was teaching how to wield the mace, Gada, how to. So, he was, Balramji is teaching Duryodhana. Shokat kurunupagatam avalokya kantam hatva dhrutam shatadhanum samaharshayastam ratne sashankaiva maithilagehametya ramo gadam samashishikshata dhartarashtram. Shokaji. Number 9. Akrura esha bhagavan bhavadichayaiva. Bhavadichayaiva is here touching the cha. Bhavadichayaiva. No, it should be separate only. Bhavadichayaiva. Separate only. Akrura esha bhagavan bhavadichayaiva.
Akrura esha bhagavan bhavadichayaiva.
Satrajitah kucharitasya yuyoja himsam.
Satrajitah kucharitasya yuyoja himsam.
Akrurato manimanahritavan punastvam.
अक्रूरतो मणिमना हृतवान् पुनस्त्वम्
तस्यैव भूतिमुपधातुमिति ब्रुवन्ति
तस्यैव भूतिमुपधातुमिति ब्रुवन्ति अक्रूर एष भगवन् भवदिच्छयैव सत्राजितः कुचरितस्य युयोज हिंसाम् अक्रूरतो मणिमना हृतवान् पुनस्त्वम् तस्यैव भूतिमुपधातुमिति ब्रुवन्ति.
So now what happened? Akrura eshaha. This Akrura Bhagavan Bhavat Ichchaya eva. Third case, Ichchaya. By your Ichcha only, by your prompting only, Akrura Satrajita Kucharitrasya Yuyoja Himsam. Satrajita's bad doings, bad conducts were there, and you had brought about Satrajita's death through Akrura. In Akrura's mind, you only prompted, and Akrura had done by Lord's prompting. And that Akrurata Mani Manahutavan Punastvam. So Ani was with now Akrura, but Lord Punaha Anarhutavan didn't take that money, that Syamantaka jewel from Akrura. Tasyaiva bhutim upadhatum iti bruvanti. So that Akrura is now blessed with bhutim upadhatum, with lot of prosperity. So Lord only prompted Akrura, and Lord only is now bestowing it prosperity on Akrura. So Lord has his own ways of which karma to be done, how to be done, and all the things. So if sometimes we take the credit of great doings, but it's Lord's prompting. We can take credit only of our misdoings. We can say Lord's prompting and not escape the punishment. Do the prashchitta also. Akrura esha bhagavan bhavadichchayaiva satrajitah kucharitasya yuyoja himsam akrurato manimanahritavan punastvam tasyaiva bhutimupadhatumiti bruvanti. Now what happened? All hands finished? There are so many people earlier. Okay, doesn't matter. Subhanaji ka. भक्तस्त्वयि स्थिरतरः सहि गान्धिनेयः
भक्तस्त्वयि स्थिरतरः सहि गान्धिनेयः
तस्यैव का पथमतिः कथमीश जाता
तस्यैव का पथमतिः कथमीश जाता
विज्ञानवान् प्रशमवानहमित्युदीर्णम्
विज्ञानवान् प्रशमवानहमित्युदीर्णम्
गर्वं ध्रुवं शमयितुं भवता कृतैव
गर्वं ध्रुवं शमयितुं भवता कृतैव भक्तस्त्वयि स्थिरतरः सहि गान्धिनेयः तस्यैव का पथमतिः कथमीश जाता विज्ञानवान् प्रशमवानहमित्युदीर्णम् गर्वं ध्रुवं शमयितुं भवता कृतैव.
We just spoke in the previous verse, and immediately that only example Lord has given over here. Bhaktaha tvai, your bhakta, sthirataraha means so sthira, so drudha, so firm bhakta, yours, this Gandhineya, this Akrura, tasyaiva, and to him only, ka pathimati kathamisha jata, this mati, which is so bad, how this bad thought, kathamisha jata, how did a bad thought come to your good bhakta? Then, Vijnanavan, Prashamavan, Ahamiti Udirnam. I am knowing everything. I am calm. I am this. So much of eyes are there. That Garvam Dhruvam Shamayitum. To reduce the pride of all that eyes, Bhavata Krita Eva. You only made all these things happen. भक्तस्त्वयि स्थिरतरः स हि गान्धिनेयः तस्यैव का पथमतिः कथमीश जाता विज्ञानवान् प्रशमवानहमित्युदीर्णम् गर्वं ध्रुवं शमयितुं भवता कृतैव लताजी कार्तिकजी नंबर 11 यातं भयेन कृतवर्मयुतं पुनस्तम्
यातं भयेन कृतवर्मयुतं पुनस्तम्
आहूय तद्विनिहितं च मणिं प्रकाश्य
आहूय तद्विनिहितं च मणिं प्रकाश्य
तत्रैव सुव्रतधरे विनिधाय तुष्यन्
तत्रैव सुव्रतधरे विनिधाय तुष्यन्
भामाकुचान्तशयनः पवनेशपायाः
भामाकुचान्तशयनः पवनेशपायाः यातं भयेन कृतवर्मयुतं पुनस्तम् आहूय तद्विनिहितं च मणिं प्रकाश्य तत्रैव सुव्रतधरे विनिधाय तुष्यन् भामाकुचान्तशयनः पवनेशपायाः सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंदा गोविंदा
So, yatam bhayena, I fear. Of whom? Of Krutavarma. No, Krutavarma would do something now. Akrura has said. So, he had fled away. Who? Akrura had gone out of fear. Punastam ahuya. Lord calls him back. Tad vinihitam cha, and showing everybody that Manim Prakasha, and showed everybody where the money. So that money was deposited. It is with Akrura, is being showed to the world. Tatraiva subrata dhare vinidhaya tushyan. So, all who has no, he's a good he is a good bhakta, and he has Lord has kept money with Akrura only and made him happy. And then how is Lord? Bhama Kuchanta Shayanaha. Who is Bhama Kucha? On Bhama's chest, Shayana. So who is reclining on Satyabhama's chest? O Lord, Pavanesha Paya, O that Gurvairappa, Payaha, protect me. Yatam bhayena kritavarmayutam punastam ahooya tadvinihitam cha manim prakashya tatraiva subratadhare vinidhaya tushyan hama kuchanta shayanah pavanesha payaha सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंदा गोविंदा. With his immense kripa, we have completed both the dashakams. I had doubt about the second one. We are 2 minutes late into Daily Gita. We have not dropped in any message. Let's rush into Daily Gita. Chapter 1 and Gita Dhyana Shloka is happening. Those who have not joined even once, please do join Daily Gita. Monday it starts with chapter 1, and every day we do few chapters, and by Sunday it will reach chapter 18. Then again repeat. So like this, 2 years are completed. In the third year we are on. Week after week, people are holding the fortress. Please join. And then tomorrow, yay, we get into 81. It feels so near now, so 81, 82, then reaching 90, and then the last few versions. So may He hold us through this and make us sail through this very easily and keep on knowing His one glories and Leela. The next one is going to be Narakasuravadha Parana. May we revel in his Leelas and see what he's trying to show us. Let's end today's session. If any doubts, please WhatsApp me.
Okay, sorry.
Yes. Ask.
Last line, 11th Dashaka, Bhama Kuchan Tara, it is given in my book. Is there a Ra?
No, Kuchant.
Kuchan.
There is no R.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेतावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. Join tomorrow as well. And make us seek His grace to complete at least 2 Dashakams.
Hey, Ganesha.
Yeah.
Hari Om Varshanaji.
Hari Om. Before everyone drops off,
Hari
before
Om.
everyone drops off, Hari Om.
Hari Om Varshanaji.
I was gonna say before everyone drops off, because everyone is looking so resplendent, and take a group picture. Just for fun, it is like,
Yeah.
everyone was so
Sridhar
ready
ji,
for
open
the,
your cat. Okay, who is
yeah,
ever taking, please stay.
just, yeah, I see. I'm gonna assign our,
see.
I'm going to assign our IT director, Sajeev ji. But it is if you all have take
No connection in between. Hari Om.